It All Ends Here, or Svemu Dođe Kraj, is the bold final film from legendary Croatian director Rajko Grlić, and it does not hold back. Set in post-communist Croatia, it follows Max, a top lawyer who gets a ruthless tycoon acquitted of double murder, only to unravel when his conscience and an old flame resurface. What unfolds is a racy, gripping political thriller that exposes the toxic mix of corporate greed, political power, and moral decay. Yes, it's got noir tones, twists, and even a dose of steamy romance. But at its core, this film is about justice, personal and societal, and the price of staying silent in the face of corruption. Now, while some critics have called it melodramatic, others have praised its relevance and its ambition. Živko Anučić is quite magnetic as Max, and Boris Isakovic delivers a chilling performance as the tycoon with blood on his hands. Their tension crackles on screen. Now, this isn't just a Croatian story, it's a universal one, echoing through many, many nations still grappling with the legacy of power gone unchecked. So if you're after something thought-provoking, provocative and pulse-raising, It All Ends Here is where you should start. I'm Mariana Rudan from the team at Croatia House, and we cannot wait to see you at this year's Croatian Film Festival. It's bye for now.